manage this system level security. So this is the topic we are discussing in last classes about system security. So how we are going to be provide security in the manner how we are going to be make an IP secure and firewall how we are going to manage. So what is the role of these intruders? What is the meaning of this one? How it will be helpful or how we can avoid this one? So in a simple way, we can say that intruders are going to be used in alert. We can simply say that a system is going to be maybe it is going to be attacked by the virus. It is going to be inform us to everything. So that time we need to realize and we need to undergo with some any so antivirus or something. We need to take some precautions before going to be an attack. So that is the main theme of these intruders. The intruders are the two types. One is the external intruders, is an unauthorized user of the system or network. So unauthorized user is entering into the network or a system. And the internal intruders is an authorized user to access a certain areas in the areas of the internal system or a network. Internal system. So that is group we will do. Some of the other unauthorized person is entering into the network and is stealing the data. Some of the authorized users are stealing the data. So that is simply bite the money into the same. So how we do it? So is intruders are external intruders and internal intruders. We have two types of them. To establish a web server, so we are publishing any www dot something. We are publishing web server to use it some of the phishing scams. So what is this meaning of phishing scam? We see that. So everyone need to be known that this one. So because those who are having the email, definitely everyone may got this type of attacks. Recently, definitely everyone is enthusiasm to knowing something from the unauthorized mail. So that we will see what is a phishing scam. So the intrusion detection system have been developed to provide early warning of intrusion so that the effective action can be taken to prevent the minimum damage. So that is early warning. We can get an early warning your system is going to be defective or your system is going to be under attack. So that alerts we will really get it and we are going to be for example, we are connecting network. So through this network, we are going to be disconnecting the network or something. We are going to be use an antivirus to protect our system. So such type of anything, something it is going to be get the warnings from. So your system is going to be like that. We are going to be get so such that we are going to be avoid such type of doing such type of networks or such type of websites or such type of any external things we are connected with the system. That one we are going to be stop doing it. So what is this meaning of phishing scam? So I told you everyone has to know that this is everyone in emails. I think generally we are going to be getting. So this is a mail Coca-Cola we are getting. We got 1 crore prize money. Please fill the details and we can send back. So have you got anyone like these messages? Coca-Cola something, Pepsi something. You are winner. You got some prize money. Please fill the following details and send it. So don't do such type of any mails and don't download any type of information in such ways. So see, phishing is a method of trying to gather. So can someone answer? You are getting any noise from my side? Only you are getting my voice, or you are getting any unwanted noise? I think because here some construction work is going, some sounds are getting from my side. Whether you are getting that sounds or not, I want to know that. I Are you getting only my voice or any?
డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఉంది సార్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్.
చెప్పండి.
డిస్టర్బెన్స్ ఉంది సార్ బ్యాక్గ్రౌండ్.
సౌండ్స్ ఏమైనా వినిపిస్తున్నాయా?
ఎస్ సార్.
ఈరోజు కొంచెం అడ్జస్ట్ చేసుకోండి బికాస్ డిస్ట్రక్షన్ ఏదో జరుగుతుంది. మేబీ మండే లాస్ట్ టైం కదా. Please concentrate on my voice. So I will be little bit loudy so that we can avoid such of noise here. So the phishing is a method of trying to gather of personal information using a defective, destructive emails or websites. Yes, you need to know that it is vulnerable. So the vulnerable is weakness, but the increasingly sophisticated probably server attacks. So which the weaknesses? So not only when the attack is going to be happen. So where we are going to be finding the weaknesses. So that time we are going to be finding we are going to be get attacked by the others. So our network or which place, for example, I am trying to enter. So which place is safe to enter? Which place who is no one knowing to identify me? So then I am going to be entering. So it is about giving a vulnerability to the network. So for example, how it will be in a real time, I'll give an example. For example, you are something you got a mail, for example, from Coca-Cola you got it. So you got a prize money of 1 crore. Please fill the following details and send it to me. You are going to be receive your. For example, you are filling your personal data, your name and your second name, correct, that is the last name, and your data of birth or your mail ID or your phone number. Something you are going to be entered in the form. So through that your personal identification, they are going to be used some of the logins. For example, how it will be. So if you want to sign up any website, so what is the minimum details we need? So you need to know the first name and last name and mobile number and email ID. Something where you are working or something. These type of emails or where you are from or some your name of the place. So something these minimum details. Such type of details you are going to be entered. They are going to be collected. That is see that the personal information is they are going to be trying to gather the personal information. So please don't do any such type of emails, don't reply and don't send any type of data to others. So I think that this type of you got the prize money, Coca-Cola got the prize money, I want this prize money. So please fill the details and we are going to be call you back to something. So they are going to be saved your data and they are going to be used your data for other purpose. In later on days something is going to be wrong, so you cannot say that I didn't done this. So how you then know your name is? So you said that your name, you said that your email ID, you said that your last name, you said that your phone number. So how so the phishing is a cyber attack that is used to discuss emails as a weapon. So how they are going to they are going to be take the information through the emails. So the goal is to trick the email recipients to the behavior of message something if you want to need, to want or need request from their bank. So instance of notes from someone in their company, and click the link and download the attachment. So I told you, so click the link and fill your details, or simply say that send back their mail, and the bankers are needed some more details, your card number, something they are going to be asked, what are the details they can ask in order to gather your information. So such type of details they are going to be collected, they are going to be given. So for these type of things, they are going to be use an email, Gmail, whatever it may be. Mail is a weapon for this phishing attack. Have you understand what is this phishing? So hereafter not whatever it. So don't do any such type of emails if you receive, and don't reply to them. Okay. So sir, if I reply, nothing has happened to me. So for example, you may say, sir, last 1 month back I was replied such type of email, but I didn't. So I already told every pattern of your network is going to be identified with third party. So for this only I have a simple when you are connected to the network, you are given hands to my data is open. If you have a courage, if you have a guts, you can take the data. So how much they are going to be observe the patterns and when they are going to be attacked. So how you are going to be identified that something that is happened in your home. Something is missing. So for example, the theft is happened in your home. Thieves came into your home, for example, thieves came and they came back. They are trying. So for example, how daily they are seeing your home. So at which time we can see that, at which time you are sleeping, at which time. So they are going to be identify your activities always. So when they are going to be attacked, when they are going to be do, so they are going to be do. So there's a vulnerability. That is a weakness. So there is a weak point. So so for example, every Sunday you are going to your family is going to be visiting movie, or your family is going to be movie, or a park you are going. So who is going to be attacked? That is the thieves is going to be identify your every activity. This is the term. For example, thieves are going to be directly attacked. Okay, today we are going to be in a particular place. Okay, today we are going to be robbery from house. They are going to be no, not like that. They are going to be identify the activities of a particular house. They will see background. Even if you see the movies, they are going to be see that background. They are going to be doing some sketch. So it will be like this, doing this. So that is the same thing they are going to be doing in the network also. So everything. For example, where we are. So sir, last month I was given my information. Such type of anything is not happening. Means when you are doing a largely thing. So for example, if you open a bank account number, your bank details you are shared to some other. So they are going to be keeper. So now you are a student, you are going to be just transferring 1,000 or 100,000, 10,000 or something. So when we are going to be changing to your working position, so maybe you are going to be get a lakhs. So that time what is going to be happen? The thief is identified, already identified. He has in the data. He has the data. When you are doing a bulk amount, that time is going to be better. That's it. You already know. When you are going to be identified, your home is got theft. So something is missing from your home. The same thing, something money is going to be detected from your bank. So that time you know that you are under attack. You are something is attacked as a hacker. So something thieves are came in into your home. Some jewelry or something items is missing in your. That so, my personal advice: don't do any unwanted mails. Don't do and don't click any unwanted emails also. Unwanted clicks also. See, for example, see. So simply click and link. So don't do any websites also. Don't click on. So how it will be? If you click, what is going to be happening? So there, for example, they are asking if you want to. If you click here, something is open. But background, what is going to be done? You don't know. Some of them, for example, see that even if myself also, I don't want to use any daily. I'm not going to be logging to my email. Is it or not? For example, simply I open a mobile, automatically my email is open. I'm not going to be giving a username and password each and every time. I'm not going to be logging. So same browser, some default information is stored on. For example, you are typing something you are typing in the sheet, Google Sheet or Google Form, something from anywhere. So automatically the saved content, the browser saved content is automatically is going to be shown there. Not when you observe or not, where something is filling in the form. So automatically that browser contains some of the saved data. It is automatically respond. For example, whenever the name is come, automatically it is suggested your name. Whenever it is asking your place. Okay. That's also don't do any browser saving. Automatically save options to that. So that even that is what automatically if you want to save the password, the browser is asking if you want to save the password, if you want to save the password. So don't do any save. Don't go for any automatic saving option in your browser. Okay. So when you are click, something is going to be get the background your data. Okay. So link or attachment, something you are going to be downloading. Something. So what is the meaning of click? Something action is going to be happen. So that what action? You write the code. So for example, you are clicking if something is click on button. For example, you are going to be develop applications. You are doing some projects. So for example, what will be the you are going to be click a button. So what code you are writing that you know at background. If I am going to be use that one, I don't know what is going to be stored in the background. So the same thing. If something is I'm going to be click there. So what is going to be in background? So that is it. So why these cyber attacks is going to be very high? That is people knowingly or unknowingly they are going to be do something on the network. Okay. So that only these type of cyber attacks is going to be high. So please be aware about these phishing attacks. So they are going to be gather your personal information and they are going to be used their personal. So for example, Aadhaar card number is there. If you know the Aadhaar card number, then simply they can get anything. They are going to be getting SIM card. So that's why they are going to be make anything. That is proper identification, that is the biometric authentication, nothing is going to be. So that's why every time it is going to be updated. In the previous time, for example, you simply give an Aadhaar card Xerox copy, you will simply get a SIM card. Nowadays, we need to check with your biometric. Then it is going to be Aadhaar card identification. So that's why don't share and don't click and don't reply to any unauthorized emails. Then we come to our main topic, intruders. The significant issue for network system is costly or unwanted access. That is unwanted access to multiple. So that is maybe internal or external intruders. Either via network or local system. They can identify the class of intruders, that is the mask orders and mispeers and clean discrete users. So these are the classes of intruders. For example, simply IP address types and class A, class B, class C. Same here. So verifying the levels of completeness, varying the levels of completeness. So the various levels are there to complete this one. How it is. So clearly growing a publicized problem. We'll see hacker in 1986 to 87 years ago. The clear escalating the CERT stats. So may seems being still the cost resources. So it may need some cost. It may use it to compromise the systems to launch other attacks. Awareness of intruders has leads the development of CERTSs. So these are the clear knowing of publicized problems. The aim to gain access are and increases the privileges on the system. So privileges means so what importance we are going to be given on the system. So basic attack terminology. So what is the basic attack terminology? The target acquisitions, the collection of that is a whole you can take like a part. So target and information gathering. So they are going to be gathering information. So initial access, I told you, if you want to log into something website. So what is the initial details they do? So by that details we can enter, we can do some wonders in that later on. So that is the initial access method. Then privileges and exclamation. So how the privileges are going to be? Then covering tricks. So how to cover? So something, for example, something bankers are going to be asked. So something details are going to be have. So they are going to be used such type of. coverings are they're going to be playing some tricks. Simply they're going to be, so that is a not a, to be simply bandasam antam kada, stone, simply throwing a stone. If it is okay, then it is going to be get climbed up. So like that they are going to be covering tricks. So key goals happens to acquire the passwords. So whatever it, the information and everything is there, the key goal. So by using these usernames, all those things, they are going to be trying each and every time. So that's really the whatever it is, the key goal is require the passwords. So there is a exercise, access the right of the book. So by using these passwords, what we know that, so we can know that who is the authenticated person, who is the right one. So another one is about password missing. What is the password missing? For this, we already know that what is the password missing. How the password. So how much tricky you are using a password. So that see that one of the most common attackers use a login, email or website, etc. Then attempts to guess a password for it. So default, short passwords, common word searches. For example, your username is something. For example, uh, username is engineering something. Your name. So, for example, username is Manoj. So Manoj something. For example, Devarakonda something is there. So his surname is Devarakonda and his name is Manoj. So if username, the first name and last name is there, the attacker is trying to that. For example, whether he has given a password as a Manoj or Devarakonda, for example, either. So something is changing. So Devarakonda Manoj, no. Later he is giving Devarakonda something. So like that, they are going to be guess always. So what is the common? For example, they are going to be simply easy purpose. They are going to 1, 2, 3. So they are going to 1, 4, 3. Something we have giving something they are going to be guess. So these guesses also is going to be check your with your pattern. What is the size of your password? So that is a default and sharp passwords we are going to use. So user info, variation of names, date of birth, see that what I told you, date of birth, phone number, common words, so how they are going to be easy. Check by the login or against the stored password. So success depends on the password chosen by the user. Success depends on the password chosen by the user. Survey show many users choose the coding. So generally, okay, simply they are going okay, password is okay, something is going to be similarly okay, we can give our name as the same thing, such that we are not going to be forget later. If we want to use, we are not going to be forget the password, such that I am going to be give a simple. Maybe my name is there, so such example before I said. No? So something the same, my surname if I want to use as a password. Simply I can remember that whenever I need. So sorry, the chosen password is going to be very poorly. So that's why nowadays we are whenever we are going to be logging to any commercial websites or banking or net banking websites or anything. So they simply they are asking for combination of letters, special words, and numbers. They are going to be. I told you I think the previous time. So why we are offering like this many times. We remember or once again I want to. So why they are asking one number, one character, at least one special character. So if you are using more characters, more types, different types of things, the number of possibilities will be increased. So if only if you are giving only characters, so that is what is total number of characters 26. 26 factorial. They are going to get any one word they are going to be repeated. So if the numbers means again 0 to 9, 10 factorial. There is a 26 10 factorial plus again a special characters we can take something. So totally the combination will come total 0 to 256. You know that what the total ASCII code what ASCII code count 0 to 256. The total 257 factorial they have. So say that 26 to 256. What is the difference? So surveying is how many? So password captures. Another attacks involves the password capture. So watching over shooter as a password is so using a Trojan horse program. So monitoring any insecure network. For example, terminate FTP and emails. So extracting records information after successful login, web history, cache, and something last number directory. So how we are simply history, how we are going to do the history again we can enter. For example, simply we can asking that whether the data is yes, 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 it is not good. Yes. Okay. Okay. So using a valid login passwords and impersonate users and use need to be educated to use the suitable precautions and countermeasures. So this is how the password captures are. They are already told you don't save something in the browser. So it is offering always it is offering. Or else please if you go to your settings and you can trying to stop your saving passwords. And one more suggestion, as of I know that whenever you are going to be logging email or something with the other systems or with other numbers, trying to log in with the new Indigo system. So Indigo browser, you know that Indigo browser. So let me I will show you once again. With this, I think everyone should follow like this, and you can get the minimal attack here after. So, for example, so this is the browser. Yes or no? I think my screen is visible to everyone. My screen is visible to everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes. So whenever, for example, if I'm giving, for example, this is my system. Whenever I used to log in email, I directly be going to be logging without giving a username. Generally, everyone are keeping like that, so no problem. For example, if somebody if I am giving my email ID, for example, what they are going to be, they are going to be simply sign out on there. For example, if work is completed, one second. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Tell me. Okay. Sorry. Okay, sir. Please generate a ticket and send me. Thank you. No, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much for your concern and thank you for your response. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. See that if you are doing like this, definitely. So how it will be now? For example, if you go to settings and change the settings. So it is offers to save, always asking for save auto save option. So synchronize the Google browser and see that passwords is there. It's ask, see offers to save a password. Offers to save a password. So generally, if my system, if I am going to be use only the system myself, means okay, I can enable and I can do it. For example, Generally what we will do, generally something if I want to do. So if, for example, today you came to lab. So if I ask something, you can download and you can directly what we will do. So then directly they are going to be login and they may something they are going to be download and they are going to be look on that document whatever. So they are going to be forget to sign out. So what is going to be somebody is going to be enter. If we close, if I again open the same thing, it shows. For example, see that if for example if I am closing this Gmail here, my screen is clear or not? Can someone? Okay. If I am closing my Gmail here, so if I open another tab, so simply see that again it is showing here as Gmail. If I am clicking directly, my Gmail is open or not. That is my system. For example, okay, no problem. If I gave a same password, if you are not saving also, if you click, you are suddenly closed or something is the power is gone. Something is power gone. So immediately what is going to be happen? It is 7 please. Okay. So what is going to be happen immediately? Because of power is not okay, power gone. So simply we will left the lab and somebody is enter. So it is going to be previous one. Whenever you can go to log in a public system, for example, we can talk about a lab or any, for example, you want to log in your mail, email ID as your friend system. So try to use this one. See this new Infotico window. Have you heard this one? Have you heard this one? If you go this one, so I think now it is not sharing. Now I'm going to be sharing again. So once you are logging that, it shows. So see this. I think my screen is visible. You are on Intico system. Intico. Okay. If you go like this, see that what is the user of this one. See that the Chrome won't save the following information. See that your browsing history, your cookies and sites, and the information entered in the forms. Information entered in the forms is not going to be stored. Then your activities might be still be visible to. So that particular website visit, and for example, you are going to be used as some school or employee, then internet service provider only know. If you are not doing this, so for example, sometimes show you the use of this tool. For example, if I am going to be use a Gmail, so for example, I already told you my Gmail is login and Chrome. So see that this is the my Gmail. Simply giving, it won't open. It won't open also. See that it is asking again to log. It is asking again to log. Okay. So such type of attacks you can see. Even if you can go to any mobile, if your mobile legal access is there, something in the settings or something. If you go with that one, definitely it shows that. Who is this A5? Hello, who is this A5? A5 unnara manatlo. Hello. Okay, so if something is happened, so it won't save your data. So I hope everyone understand how to be secure with your emails, Gmails, how to save login with the public system or other system. Whenever somebody students or somebody others is coming to my system, so I want to use Gmail in your system. Myself is I am offering. Please go to Indigo system and Indigo browser and you can do this. So later may forget. So simply I am saying it is forgotten is everyone a common manner. What is it? My purpose, for example, if I ask something, I send a mail. For example, I send a PPT. So you came to lab. So everyone download your PPT and you can read it. So what is your purpose is downloading the PPT and you are going to do it. Unfortunately, you may forget to sign out your. So such type of things, whenever there is a public systems, we are going to be used. Please refer as Indigo browser to log in your credentials. This. So once you can try it and you can tell me how far it is going to be work, and you can everything. Okay. So this is the password captures all those things. So then another one is about intrusion detection. So intrusion detection. Inevitably, we will have a security failures. So we need to detect the intrusion so that we can block if the detected quickly, act as a deterrent and collect info to improve the security. So once what is the major role of this intrusion? It is going to be give the alert. So immediately we are going to be blocked. Immediately you are going to be closed. Immediately you are going to be disconnect your number. Immediately you are going to be change your premises or change your node, something you have. You can immediately respond to them. For example, if I am going to be say that if you go that way, you are going to be get attacked. What is going to be happen? So definitely the person, for example, the person, one person, for example, there is a three persons are there. If you go alone, you are going to be get attacked. So you are going to be get identified, and for example, you are going to be use three or four persons. You are going to be group and you can. So in order to avoid that attack, so same way there is something you are going to do. So assume the intruder will behave definitely as a legitimate users, but we have a imperfect distinction between them. So approaches to these intrusion detection statically anomaly detection, so threshold and profile based and rule based detection, anomaly and penetration identification. So these are the statical analysis and rule based analysis of the applications. So audit records. What is the audit records? Means? So getting so we can we can see the fundamental tools of intrusion detection is audit records. Native audit records. Native audit records. So part of all common multi-users operating system. Multi-users operating system. Already parent present for use. Already present for use. So you may not have if you want to decide. So detection specification audit record. So created a specifically targeted if you want to cost of the additional overhead. And so the labs that we are going to use it to OS in the same system. So on Linux and we can operate Windows also in the same system. So for the cost based on we can use a multi. And then the statical anomaly detection is about threshold detection. So threshold detection is the top point. So maximum count occurrence of a specific event over time. For example, general normal is no thing happen. When we have a more count or more number of times or more, for example, more days is you are using the same. Then this threshold means what? We can see the mountain. The mountain top point we can call the threshold. Simply when you are drawing a graph, so the graph, the top point we are going to be called as. So when it is reaches a maximum point, so that is it exceeded the responsible for involving assumes intrusions, then alone to curd and ineffective detectors. The profile based algorithm is about characterizing the past behavior of users. So that is how the characters we are going to use, what type of passwords we are going to use for behavior. So how he is going to be act, how he is going to be respond, whether he is frequently changing or not. So the patterns how we are going to be identified. So identification is nothing but a past behavior. So detect the significant deviations from this. So profile you use in the multi parameters we have to use. So audit record analysis. So foundation of a statistical approach. So analyze the records to predict matrices for time. So that is a counters, messages, and interval time sources. Uses a various tests on these determine if current behavior is acceptable. So means and standard deviation. Some mathematical operations we can apply. So key advantages is a more proper knowledge is used. So key advantage. So by this we already know that what the key management, how we in the fourth unit we discussed about the key management, how we want to manage the key. So, that is, so rule-based interaction will structure the events on the system and apply the rules to decide an activity and suspicious. The rule-based anomaly detection is analyze the historical audits of records to identify the usage the patterns and auto-generate. sorry.
TCS select అయిన వాళ్ళ ఫోటోలు అర్జెంట్ గా పంపండి. బ్యానర్ కనుక్కోండి.
Hello. Hello, my voice is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
ఒక small announcement is for you.
నార్మల్ మరి మెసేజ్ పెట్టాను చూసుకుంటారు వాళ్ళు.
ఒక్కొక్కసారి
Urgent గా.
వాట్సాప్ లో మెసేజ్ పెట్టారు చూడండి, మీ ఫొటోస్ ని
TCS ఎవరైతే
టీసీఎస్ ఎవరైతే సెలెక్ట్ అయ్యారో వాళ్ళు సెలెక్ట్ అయిన వాళ్ళు మీ ఫొటోస్ ని నాగమణి మేడం కి వాట్సాప్ చేయండి.
రిజిస్టర్ నంబర్ కూడా రాయమని.
ఫోటోని అటాచ్ చేసేటప్పుడే మీరు కింద డిస్క్రిప్షన్ రాసి మీ రోల్ నెంబర్ రిజిస్టర్
12 అయితే 12
13 అయితే
86 అయితే 86.
మీరు ఇమీడియట్ గా పంపించాలి.
బ్యానర్ కి నీట్ గా ఉన్నది పంపండి.
So we are making a banner in the college main entrance so that you
ఒకసారి
can
అడిగారంట.
so that please send me immediately. Okay, అర్థమైందా మీకు? సో బ్యానర్ లో మీ ఫోటోస్
Okay అన్నారా లేదా
TCS
sir?
రెస్పాన్స్. హలో
మా ఎవరు లేరా? కాలో కీర్తన, మనీషా, మహేష్ 66, మహేష్, హర్ష ఎవరు లేరా ఆన్లైన్ లో? రోల్ నెంబర్ 12 నాన్న పలకండి, నాన్న ఒక్కళ్ళైనా అనండి.
ఎస్ మ్యామ్.
నాన్న అర్జెంట్ గా ఫోటోలు పెట్టండి నాన్న. ప్రిన్సిపల్ సార్ అడిగారంట బ్యానర్ కి ఇప్పుడు మనం ఇవాళ ఇచ్చేయాలి. ఇవాళ హాఫ్ డే కదా, ఒక 5
ఓకే
minutes
మ్యామ్.
పెట్టండి. మీ రిజిస్టర్ నెంబరు నాది. మీ ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఎవరైనా వాళ్ళు కనెక్ట్ అవ్వకపోతే వాళ్ళకి కూడా చెప్పండి. నేను గ్రూప్ లో మెసేజ్ పెట్టాను.
సరే మ్యామ్.
తొందరగా పనిచేయండి. ఓకే
ఇప్పుడు పండగ రాదు. అర్థమైందా చెప్పింది? సో ఎవరైతే టీసీఎస్ సెలెక్ట్ అయి ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళందరూ ప్లీజ్ సెండ్ మీ యువర్ ఫోటో ఇన్ ఆర్డర్ టు క్రియేట్ చెప్పారు. సో కాలేజ్ వాళ్ళు బ్యానర్ క్రియేట్ చేయడానికి చెప్పారు. సో క్రియేట్ డిస్క్రిప్షన్. ఓకే, so this is the uses of patterns and auto generated rules and observe the current behavior and match rules to see the conforms. So like statistical analysis so does not require a clear knowledge of security components. So that is about these intruders. So I hope everyone understand what is the meaning of intruders and how it is going to be phishing attacks and how to use the minimal knowledge of our passwords and how to use it and how to manage all those things. Okay. So do you have any doubt? So Nagmani madam ki urgent ga me fix number send cheyandi. Then leaving those who are TCS selected candidates, please do that one immediately. Okay. So thank you. Have a nice day.